Go ahead, Officer Harris.
36th District Court, State of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no eating, no sleeping, no talking, no gum chewing, no drinking, no smoking, no driving or riding in a vehicle, no laying down or lounging. Please keep your devices on mute until you are addressed by one of the courthouse staff. Also, keep your devices on a level surface so that you may be seen on screen. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. Ms. Triplett, does it matter which order we go in?
It does not, Your Honor.
I'm gonna call the Darren Waller.
Okay.
Denard, I apologize. Is it Denard, sir?
Yes, ma'am. How you doing, Your Honor?
This is the matter of People versus Denard Waller. This is ticket P1203683. One count, no insurance misdemeanor, and not appearing on the record today, but also calling case number SP 1151466. One count of drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, Regina Triplett, P number 69160, on behalf of Mr. Denard Waller, who is present by Zoom. Mr. Waller, please state your name for the record.
Denard Waller.
Your Honor, I've spoken with Mr. Waller, and he has provided proof of insurance as well as his registration on his vehicle. At this time, we'd ask that the matters be dismissed for proper documents, Your Honor.
At this time, having been an officer of the court and seen these documents, this court is going to grant that motion and dismiss these matters without prejudice today. Mr. Waller, make sure that you keep everything up to date, okay? Make sure you keep everything registered and up to date, okay?
Absolutely. Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Look at that smile. That's what I'm talking about.
Hey, I wanted to say both y'all fine, but I'm gonna go on and just, I'm going to relax.
Mr. Waller.
Hey, look, hey, y'all black. I ain't never seen no black people. That's what's up.
Oh.
If be an old white man always send me to jail. I like y'all. Straight up. You don't even want to know. Trust me. You got my record. You see.
Thank you so much, Mr. Waller. We appreciate you. You can
Thank
go
you.
ahead and talk about.
Hey, and show the next person some love. See y'all. Bye.
Bye, Mr. Waller.
Bye.
Okay. What a way to start off the afternoon.
Real
All right,
talk.
I'm gonna go Shakira Williams. Miss Williams, you unmute yourself.
Yes. Hi, I'm Shakira Williams.
Okay, I'm gonna call your matters now. These are the matters of the People versus Shakira Williams. This is ticket number P1203628. One count expired plates, one count no proof of insurance. Also calling ticket number P1203629. One count failed to display a valid operator's license and not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Regina Triplett, P number 69160, on behalf of Shakira Williams, who's present by Zoom. Ms. Williams, would you please state your name for the record?
Shakira Williams.
Your Honor, there has been an offer by the people. Ms. Williams wishes to avail herself of it.
Is that right, Ms. Williams?
Yes, it is.
All right, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. Ms. Williams, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, because you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes.
All right. I want to draw your attention back to the date of May the 22nd of 2021. Were you in the area of Jefferson and Shane Street in the city of Detroit, driving a 2011 vehicle?
Yes.
All right. And while you were driving that vehicle, did you not have any? Did you have improper plates on the vehicle because your license was not valid at the time?
Correct.
Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And if there's stipulation, no, the other ones are civil infractions. All right, so at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates, and I'm going to dismiss the other ticket with the 2 civil infractions on the Ms. Williams at this time.
Okay, thank you.
Are you currently employed, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna assess a fine today in the amount of $200. If I give you 60 days, is that enough time to pay that?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to give you until January the 10th, 2022 to have that $200 paid, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. If there's nothing else, that concludes this hearing, okay?
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ms. Walton?
Yes.
I didn't lose anybody. I don't know what. Okay, so call your man. Got confused. Sorry, that was me talking to myself. All right, this is the matter of the people versus Diana Walton. This is ticket number P1202910. One count of driver's license never acquired. One count 21 to 25 miles over posted speed. One count no valid registration certificate. Also calling ticket number P1202912. One count of no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Regina Triplett, P number 69160, on behalf of Miss Deanna Walton. Ms. Walton, state your name for the record.
Diana Walton.
Your Honor, I did speak with the prosecutor and Ms. Walton. Ms. Walton does have insurance, and she did provide insurance. I believe the people have agreed to dismiss that matter. There is a reduction on the other charges that Ms. Walton wishes to avail herself of.
Is that right, Ms. Walton?
Yes.
All right, if so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
You can put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And she's gonna, did she inform you that you'll be entering a plea of responsible today? That means that I'm going to read from the ticket to establish a factual basis, and then I'm going to put into place a civil infraction fine that you need to have paid. It's by statute and by state, okay?
Okay.
All right. Been reading from the ticket ending in 910, that on May 22nd of 2021, Ms. Walton was in the area of Evergreen Road, the I-96 ramp in that area in the city of Detroit, driving a 2016 Chevy vehicle, and did exceed the speed limit, going 60 in a 55-mile-per-hour zone. Satisfied, Attorney Triplett?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And is there a stipulation for probable cause on the misdemeanors to be dismissed?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of limited access 60 to 55-mile-per-hour zone, dismiss the remaining misdemeanors as well as the civil infractions that were on this record today. Ms. Walton, there's a set fine that you have to pay. It's $125, and you only have 14 days to pay it because it's a civil infraction. So that's due no later than November the 24th,
Okay.
2021. And you can pay that online. You can pay it physically by coming down to 36th District Court, or they have those DivDat machines that are scattered throughout the city in Myers, Walgreens, and CVS's that you can go pay this at, okay?
Okay.
All right, but don't, if you do it after that time, they attack on fees, so please try and pay it by that time, okay?
Okay.
If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
And then Ms. Walters?
Yes. Hi.
Hi, are you able to activate your video? Yes. Thank you. These are the matters of the people versus, is it Lene?
Yes.
Okay, Lene Walters. This is ticket number X2120906. One count, no operator's license, multiple license, on person, not on person. 1 count, regular plates expired over 3 days. 1 count, no proof of insurance. Also calling ticket number 409527. 1 count, no operator's license in possession. Ticket number P1215028. 1 count, drove while license suspended. 1 count, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1215041. 1 count, accident, failed to stop clear distance ahead. 1 count, no valid registration certificate.
Ooh.
Ticket number, it's okay.
You good. You good. You
All right,
good.
also ticket
You good.
numbers and warrant status, case number 1547334, count 1. No operator's license on person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Regina Triple P number 69160 on behalf of Lene Waters. Ms. Waters, state your name for the record.
Lene Waters.
Your Honor, there's been an offer from the state as well as the city prosecutor. Ms. Waters wishes to avail herself of it.
Is that right, Ms. Waters?
Yes,
If so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Okay, put your hand down, man. Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I want to take your attention first back to the date of June the 16th of 2021. Were you driving a 2010 Dodge vehicle in the area of Evergreen and West Chicago streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you have improper plates because you didn't have any car insurance at the time?
Yes. My place was just they weren't registered. So the tags and stuff was expired.
Okay, all right. And then I want to take your attention to the date of June the 16th, that same date, same area. Did you get into an accident and fail to stop clear of the distance ahead?
Yes.
And then finally, on the date of December the 13th of 2015, were you driving at that time a 2005 Chrysler vehicle in the area of M10 and Linwood Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you did that, did you fail to display a valid operator's license for the police officer who stopped you?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Griffith?
That's fine, Your Honor.
Is there stipulation of probable cause in the remaining?
So stipulated.
Thank you. At this time, the court is going to just enter a plea to the amended charge of failure to display on ticket ending in 906, count 1, as well as enter a plea as responsible as charged to ticket ending in 041, count 1, and enter a plea to the amended charge of ticket ending in 028 on count 2 of improper plates. So for the civil infraction, which is the fail to stop, let me say this. Let me find out how much that money is. I'm gonna waive the cost and fines on ticket ending in 907. The civil infraction fine is $170, and that's due in 14 days. I can't do much about that one, okay?
Okay.
$170, and that's due in 14 days, so that's due on November the 24th, 2021. And then on this other ticket, from that same accident on that same day, I'm going to impose a fine of $200, but I'm going to give you until, February the 10th of 2022 to have that paid.
Thank you.
Is this clear of all your tickets, ma'am?
I hope so. I hope so. I was gonna ask that.
Okay. I'm hoping that we pulled all your tickets. This should clear them all up. And so once you make the payment to pay the reinstatement fees, if there are any, to the Secretary of State's office, they'll grant clearance so that you can try and apply to get that license. Because I'm figuring that's what you're trying to do, isn't it?
I am, yes.
Is it the only jurisdiction you have tickets in?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Are you employed? I should have asked that starting off. Are you employed?
I am, yes.
All right. So paying this, I know it's a little quick for the 170, but giving you some extra time on the 200, that gives you a little bit of extra. If you need.
Yes, it do.
All right. Well, there's nothing further. This will conclude this hearing, okay?
Thank you so much.
Are so welcome. All right. That concludes this. Have a
All
good
right, have a good
day.
day.
You too, hon.
Bye-bye.
The last one is yours, but you can sit tight, Ms. Strickland. It shouldn't take too long. Ms. Williams, or you can sign off if you need to. I already know that too.
Okay. I think I think she has retained counsel.
She does have retained counsel. Do you need anything else today?
No, Judge, I'm good. It was a
Well, you know
pleasure.
what? We'll keep Regina Triplett. You know, Regina Triplett's good. I know Regina's top notch. So, hey,
I appreciate you,
Regina, I
Mr.
wish I
Ford.
was as good as you.
Yeah. But listen, Miss Edwards is an awesome clerk, and I think my issue was I didn't scroll down. Miss Edwards, I sent you an apology, so please forgive me. I was like, oh, I need to scroll down.
Yeah, it's
And I
okay.
appreciate you attaching it to the same email. That's just your efficiency. I appreciate you all. Take care, Mr. Fortner, okay?
Hey, Regina, good seeing you always.
You too, hon. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much for your patience today. I didn't know if we would have to have any additional discussion, so I want to make sure I gave you time.
No, I
You ready?
appreciate that, Your Honor, very much.
No. All right. These are the matters of the people versus Leah Williams. I have ticket number P120239309, one count of disorderly conduct. I also have ticket number X3858048, one count of no operator's license, multiple operators license, one count of violation of basic speed law, too fast. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, for the record, Michael Fortner representing Ms. Williams in regards to all those matters.
All right, and Ms. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Leah Williams.
This is a taking time set for an arraignment. How are we proceeding, counsel?
Not guilty, Your Honor.
All right, so the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. Are you requesting a bench trial at this time?
Your Honor, I guess we're requesting a pretrial. I don't know if all the moving violations or the traffic violations occurred out of the same incident as the disorderly conduct.
It did not.
And so I'm certainly going to be requesting a trial and probably a bench trial on that disorderly conduct matters. If we can get it done soon, I'd like to get it done soon. Absolutely. And we'll look at maybe plead on those traffic violations once I have the opportunity to talk to Ms. Williams about those incidents in a little bit more detail.
Okay, so the traffic matters happened on March the 26th, so it was a different day, March 26th of 2021. What I can do, if you would like, is I can set the disorderly conduct for a bench trial right now and set the other tickets for a pre-trial if you want to do it that way, or I can set
I'm fine with that, Your Honor.
As soon as dates though that I have right now aren't until like February.
Okay.
Bench trial.
February's good for me, yep.
Okay, do you want the pre-trial on the ticket sooner though?
Yeah, something in next month, December, if you got it. And I guess I'm gonna need some discovery from the prosecutor's office or the city attorney regarding the bench trial matter. So maybe you can set them off for a date in December.
So what I can do is I can do a pre-trial on all the matters in December. Can you get an order over to me for the discovery, and then we can make sure you have all the discovery and everything?
Yep, I'll take care of that right now.
Okay.
Yana, can you give me that case number real quick? Let me write that case number down for the.
You want both of them or just the disorderly conduct?
Disorderly conduct.
Okay, it's gonna be case number SP 12.
SP 12.
02309.
Okay. All right, I'll take care of the discovery order right now. And the return date, I'll put that in the order as well.
Let me see, I'm gonna try and get you one right now.
And can I tell you something, Your Honor?
Yes.
We're glad to have you on the bench. I mean, you're a very refreshing change of pace.
Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate that.
Whose job did you take, Judge Blunt's?
I'm finishing the term of Judge Langston, who retired.
Well, Judge Langston was cool. Well, she's not you. She's not you. But I never lost a case in front of Judge Langston, I don't think.
No, I would say, did the morning work well for you, sir, on that day for the?
Yes, whatever time you give us, I'll make myself available.
Okay, December the 16th, it's gonna be I'm gonna set this at 9 a.m.
Okay.
for a pre-trial. No, 8:35, sorry.
8:35, okay.
8 a.m. for a pre-trial on December the 16th, 2021. At that point in time, we can discuss discovery.
Okay.
So I can make sure that you have that. I'll let city attorney know as well that you'll be seeking that. Get that over to me and I'll make sure I give it to him and sign it as well.
I'll take it right now. Do I email that to you?
Yes, and I'll put my email in the chat.
Okay. All right, and we come back for all the matters on that date, December 16th at 8:30.
So if we want to try and resolve the strictly ticket matters that day, we can. I know that you're going to want a bench trial for the other ones, and then we can pick a bench trial day that works for everybody at that time.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, Yarn, I'll take care of the pre-trial. I'll take care of the discovery order and the return date right now. Okay.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal on all the matters, so you should be all set, Ms. Williams, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're so welcome. Did you understand everything? You're coming back for a pre-trial on December the 16th, 2021. Zoom back in, same number, but it's going to be in the morning instead at 8:30, okay?
December 16th.
Yep, December the 16th, so we can try and get your discovery, and so that we can try and possibly, if you want to resolve those other 2 tickets and set your bench trial for the disorderly conduct, okay?
Thank you.
You're so welcome. Have a good day.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a good day. Very nice to see you and meet you, sir.
Good to meet you.